And the winner of the 2018 AD HVAC Member of the Year is the Habegger Corporation.
Good evening. What a fantastic opportunity to be up here on the stage. This is an honor. It's humbling, and I'm sincerely grateful to be up here. I want to be able to thank just a few folks. First, the Habegger Corporation's leadership team for having the vision and the leadership to bring us into this AD group. Additionally, I'd like to thank the legacy members of the HVAC group that were able to have, again, that vision and thought to be able to come and be members here with affiliated distributors. And finally, I want to be able to thank the Habegger Corporation and all of our members that are here on stage as well as back at our branches for supporting conversion opportunities and all of the other programs that we're able to bring forth through our relationships that we have here at AD. What I've come to understand and see in life is the simple philosophy: the more you give, the more you get. And I feel right now that balance continues to get further askew. As we continue to give, we've received even more. And I think we've got work to do now to be able to give back and try and make up for that. At this point in time, what I'd like to do is ask you to raise your glasses as we can offer a toast and be able to say that we toast this room to the AD staff, to our suppliers that are here in this room, to our members, to the owners, to Network 501, and all of you that are friends. Thank you. Cheers.